Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. So open the dialer, tap on the three bars icon here and go to contacts. Find the contact that you'd like to block and tap on it. And now scroll down to find the option block numbers. So just tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it. So just tap on block if you're ready. And as you can see here, we've got this characteristic icon, and it means that we just successfully blocked the number. Of course, you can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this because we will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So let's go back to this step. And now let's tap on the three bars icon again and go to the settings this time. Here in the general, on the third position, we've got blocked numbers, so just tap on it, and this is our blacklist. That's the number we've blocked from our contacts, which means that the previous option also works. You can add a number manually. Just tap on this option here and enter the number. Tap on block, and it will be immediately applied. Here at the top, you've got the option unknown, which means that your device can block the calls from all unidentified callers if you will turn on this option. So it's up to you. You can turn that off the same way. And if you'd like to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.